In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down, and when you're ready, hit More Privacy Settings at the very bottom. This way you can scroll down one last time and tap on Permission Manager. Now, to manage it, tap on any feature, like camera, and tap on an app under one of those categories. In case of camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Chrome from not allowed one. Tap on one of those options to apply it, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, Chrome gained access to my camera while I'm using my browser. But what most people miss is that you can actually pick any feature, tap on an app you are interested in, and instead of applying one of those options, click on See All Chrome Permissions. Then manage all of them only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!